I greet you all wherever you are, any part of the world where you are. Once again, the Autosatly Trader is here, and we are looking at power of three again. So the reason why I'm making power of three consistently, this content consistent, I wanted to get into your mind. I wanted to get to be an integral part of you. That when you just look at the chart, you can see. You don't even have to spend um 30 minutes analyzing. No, just 5 minutes is enough to get the information that you want. Yeah, it's amazing. Power 3 again. So wherever you are in part of the world, I greet you. Welcome to another session of Part 9 Power 3. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this trading day. It's amazing today. I was looking at the Euro USD, and yeah, it's amazing. So before I start, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe and click the notification button so that the channel can keep growing, and also you can keep getting notification of every upcoming content which I will be posting here. Every trading upcoming content I will be posting here, you will be notified. If you are part of this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification button. Let's go. So what we're looking here is power tree of Euro USD. So this is power tree. Okay. Yes, this is power tree Euro USD. So I will be having a commentary on this trade, how I took the trade and everything, how I manage it and everything. So yeah, let's begin. So as I told you that, guys, power trade, it starts with accumulation, and there's manipulation and expansion, and then there is a distribution and market closes. So yeah, and the accumulation when you're trading the euro, GBP or USD pairs, any USD pairs, even major pairs like GBP, JPY. So you want to have your accumulation happening around the Asian session. Your accumulation happen on the Asian session. You mark the Asian low and Asian high, and then you are looking to take the trade next to the opening or below the opening or near the opening or below the opening price. So now coming back to this particular trade, I was anticipating that market will take out this low, the previous day low. I was expecting, because I had my sell limit here, but I saw that price wasn't like willing to come down to this low because of this pin bar. And when I saw this pin bar, and I didn't take the trade here because I was still anticipating for price to come lower here and check out this low, but it didn't come low, so it went up and break into market structure. Of course, I was having a bullish bias, and as when it came back down again, that's when I took the trade because of it holding here and creating this low. So from here I knew that it wasn't willing to come down, you see, because already the London session is already open, and if the London session is already open, it has to, on the first hour, it has to make sure it has to take the low. That's what I'm anticipating, that on the first hour it has to take the previous low, or it has to go to an order block or to a fair value gap. So if that is not happening, then I have to look key areas where I can take the trade. So I took the trade here, and then I just held through the London session and the New York session. So this is the trade that I took. As you can see, it's just evident. Let's check here. Power of 3. How many pips? From entry to this high, 100 pips. Where price is trading at now is 90 pips, and I was only risking around. I risk around. Check here. It was around 15 pips here, I think. Yeah, it was around 15 pips because my stop loss was just so. here. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, that you and that not every time is price going to, when the London session open, not every time is it going to, come um below the opening or to take the previous day low. Like here, sometimes it may rally up, but if you see things like pin bar and price showing no willingness to, to come low, and already is London session, then you should, calculate your risk and execute the trade. Execute the trade as long as it is not far from the opening. As you can see, we're still not far from the opening, and we're still within the Asian range. So yeah, so this is part 3, and this is just how I apply this concept, you see. So from here, now I can close the trade and just take profit, because I've already, made my target, because I was expecting to take profit 20 pips above, just here, 20 pips above the previous daily high. So yeah, price above the previous daily high, so I just trade it and just to lock the profit here. So yeah, and now what I'm anticipating from here, I'm anticipating a distribution phase and market to close. So as you know, that late New York session, there is a distribution phase. Late New York session, there's a distribution phase, and therein, after the distribution phase, then it closes. So this is just generic concept, simple concept. I've been getting question from many people asking me as to how can they understand ICT concept. There's a lot of information when it comes to the inner city trader mentorship. There's a lot of information there, but you just have to pick one or two. As I told you, you don't have to take everything, because too much information is dangerous for your mind. You see, you can't process all that information. We all know that ICT is a god of markets. We know that. We know, and we salute that. But for you as a trader, for you as an individual, to succeed, you don't have to take everything that ICT is mentoring. You have to pick one. If you are trading the sell model, pick that sell model, practice it. If you are trading fair value gap only, stick to it. As for me, I'm trading power tree, and I'm sticking on power tree. And you guys, you can see how good I'm doing on power tree. This is where my strength is. That's where I focus. That's where I develop myself. That's where I journal. That's where I outwork myself. You see, of course, I do understand other concepts like market structure and all these other concepts. I went through the mentorship. I went through everything. I studied day and night, everything. But after studying, I I selected I selected after studying, I selected what works for me. And what works for me is poetry. That's it. It's poetry. That's all I need. If you understand how for your buyers for your particular day, therein you you then pick now a strategy that you will trade repeatedly, consistently in each and every day. So that's what I wanted to tell you. Those who were asking me questions to how can they excel, in ICT concept. You understand? I hope this information will be helpful and meaningful to you, and I hope that it will impact your trading career positively. I wish you all the best in your trading career and in your trading journey. Just know that I'm here. If you want to contact me, just you can comment, and on the upcoming sessions I will also post my email, so you can contact me. I don't charge anything. I don't have mentorship and so forth, premium things. I don't run those things. I give you free content and free stuff. All the best. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm signing out. Cheers. Wish you all the best.